Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a throwing knife game in Scratch 3. So let's start with this video. So first we need to open up our Scratch 3 and I'm going to delete this cat sprite and I'm going to upload some sprites. I'm going to give a link in the description for these sprites. Yeah, now let's begin with the code. So I'm going to take this log over here and I'm going to just name it log. And so I'll go to the events. I'll take when I receive, not message one. I'm going to make a message when I receive start game. And then I'll go to controls. I'll take the forever block. Then I'll go to the motion and I'll take move 3 degrees. Yeah. Then I'll go to the events. I'll take when I receive. I'll make a new message next level. Okay, next level. Then I'll make two variables. First would be knife count. Second would be level. Yeah, I'll just do this so they don't come over here. Then I'll take set knife count to 0 and I'll take change level to 1. Then I'll go to the controls. I'll take wait 0.5 seconds and then I'll take broadcast. I'll make a new message start level. Yeah, then I'll go to the events. I'll take when I receive when green flag clicked. Then I'll go to the motion. I'll take the go to x and y. So the x should be 9 and the y should be 116. Yeah. Now I'll go over here. So we'll go to the control and I'll take when I start as a clone and I'll just name this throwing knife. I'll just name it throwing. So when I start as a clone and I'll upload some sounds. Upload sound. I'll give a link in the description to all of these sounds too. Yeah, over here, this I'll name this step and I'll upload sounds over here too. Yeah. Now, when I start as a clone, then I'll go to the sound. I'll take how is it set volume to 20%. Yeah, set volume to 20%. Then I'll make two more variables. So the first is this, second is pose. So I'll take set dist two times. So set this to -50, and over here it's set pose to 0. Yeah. Then I'll go to the looks. I'll take go back a layer. Then I'll go to the control. I'll take repeat. Then I'll go to the motion. I'll take touching lock. So yeah, I'll go to the sensing and I'll take touching. So it's repeat until touching lock. Repeat until touching lock. Yeah. Then I'll go to the motion and I'll take change Y by 10. Yeah. So that's all for part 1 of how to make a throwing knife game in Scratch 3. Hope you all enjoyed this video and please wait for part 2 and please like and subscribe. I'll see you all in part 2. Bye.